Another visual that's offered to you by Power BI are maps. And so I'm going to click on my report canvas. I'm just sitting in my population page. And in my collection of visuals, you'll see a little globe, and that's a map. And so basically it provides you with quantitative information that's spatial information. And it uses a process called geocoding to create maps. And if Power BI has issues trying to identify the correct location, it actually leans on and enlists the support of Bing Maps. Not Google Maps, but Bing Maps. They're the one that have the relationship with Microsoft because they've got good parental controls. So Bing Maps is the one. I'm going to click Map, and it just adds it straight away to my report canvas. And I have these buckets: location, legend. If I had latitude and longitude information, I could use that, and bubble size. So what fields do I want to add? Well, I'm talking about, and let me just check, I'm talking about population. So here's my population query. I want the information to be spatially or location wise be based on country. So I'm going to grab the country and drop it into the location bucket. And so that appears on my map. And then the size of the bubble, I want that to be triggered by the population value. So I'm going to drag population and drop it into bubble size. And so the bigger the bubble, the bigger the population. And so I've created a map. And so you can resize that if you want to, and you can format it in a variety of ways. But you can see my larger ones here, and I can click them and they narrow down my table. See, if I click this one, India, and if I click this one, this is Barbados. And then if I click on Barbados again, it undoes that formatting. And I can zoom in if I want to, and click again to narrow my filter. And I can just clear the whole thing by clicking at the top of the map. By clicking at the top of the map, you get everything back. So click to see India, and that's the value there. Click back on India, it shows you everything, or click at the top, and that shows you everything. So you're actually able to drill in and see things. If I click on Argentina here, that takes me to where it is in the map, takes me to there, takes me to there. Really handy interaction between the two visuals, the table and the map. And then I'll just click up here and click up here, or click back on there. And I've gone back to seeing everything again, and click at the top again. Great interaction between the visuals.